When things go badly wrong, recovery options can save you. In this video, we will help you understand Windows recovery options. Windows includes several built-in tools to fix problems or restore your computer, ranging from gentle to complete. The mildest is System Restore, which rolls back your system settings, drivers, and programs to an earlier point without touching your personal files. It is perfect for undoing a bad update or installation. Next is Startup Repair, which automatically fixes problems that prevent Windows from booting properly. You reach these through the recovery environment, accessed in Settings under System, then Recovery and Advanced Startup, or automatically after failed boots. For a fresh start, reset this PC reinstalls Windows with a choice to keep your personal files or remove everything. This clears out clutter and many software problems. For deeper boot issues, the recovery environment offers command line tools to repair the system. You can also create a recovery drive on a USB stick in advance, which is invaluable if your computer will not start at all. Restore points and regular backups make these options even more powerful. Knowing these recovery tools exist gives you confidence that even serious problems can usually be fixed.